What's up guys, check out this new CPA marketing strategy that can enable you going to making a lot of money right now on autopilot with just utilizing a simple 3-step method. And this is a very cool and amazing strategy. I advise you watch right there and learn the strategy and also implement that in making extra income online. Not only is the strategy going to be a beginner friendly one, it's also going to be 100% free strategy. So leverage this right now to make money. If you are new to the channel OJ Marketing, I create videos that can actually help you to go into boosting your income online. If you do like such kind of content, scroll through the channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out right there. You could also go on to hitting the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bells and all to actually go on to getting alerted whenever I do release videos that would help you go on to increasing your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So basically guys, you want to just simply come onto a very cool platform right here such as ChatGPT, and we're just going to be using ChatGPT to generate a very cool script to a video. And guys, this is going to be quite simple right now. I'm just going to come right here and ask ChatGPT to generate so right now you can see I'm asking ChatGPT to generate 10 short motivational stories on the make money online niche. You can actually see right here that this is a very short story that says, once struggling to make ends meet, Jane discovered her passion for writing. She started freelancing online, turning her skills into a thriving business. Today, she not only enjoys financial freedom but also inspires others to pursue their passion. You can actually see that these are actually short stories right now that actually goes on to motivating people to go on to making money online. You can see the title right here, from side hustle to success, the freelancer triumph. And right now guys, all you need to do right now from this is actually going to converting this simple story into a video. What you want to do right now is actually come right here. Maybe I'm just going to copy the first story only. I'm just going to copy that right now. Head on to a very cool AI tool called the 11labs.io, and you want to make sure guys you're actually on the speech synthesis section. This section guys, you just need to come onto this section, and you can actually going to changing this to the 11 Labs multilingual v2. If you select that right here, all you need to do is to just simply paste in that particular text right now. Click on generate, and what's going to happen is that this particular platform is actually going to go on to converting that cool and amazing text into a voiceover, and you can then just simply download that. Now once that has actually been downloaded, we actually need visuals for the video. So to get visuals for the video right now, you can actually get that utilizing a very cool platform. But before we go on to getting visuals for the video, for this particular text guys, you might actually go on to telling them to check out the description for a giveaway link or a gift card offer. So you can see right now I actually inserted a very cool call to action that says check the video description for a gift card offer. So once you put in something like this right there, it will also be included in the voiceover. Then you need to go on to getting visuals for each and every one of this section right now. To get visuals for this simple and short video, all you need to do right now is to head on to platforms like Leonardo AI right here. As you can see, if you come onto Leonardo AI, this is a very cool image generation tool that you can actually leverage for absolutely free. Log on to an account right now, and you can actually see how cool this actually is. These are all images generated with the help of this particular AI tool. All you need to do is to come onto the image generation section, and if you just select that right now, you can actually go on to selecting the style of the image. Maybe you want to select something like the Dream Shaper or this right here. You can see these are all actually cool styles right now for images right now. All you need to do is to select the other properties to the image right now. As you can see, you could select the number of images. You could also go to selecting the dimensions right now and actually select how you want the image to be. You can also see the aspect ratio right here. So fill out all these details. You can then just simply head on to clicking on generate after inserting your very cool and amazing text. So since that particular offer or that particular video talks about making money online, you can see right here it says once struggling to make ends meet, I can actually go on to putting in something like a lady. So right now guys, you can actually see right here that for this particular scene, I'm actually putting something like this, which says a beautiful businesswoman in the office that looks tired right now. If I do click on generate right here, As you can see right now, the video or the image generation is actually in progress. In a matter of some seconds right here, the image will be generated. Then you can actually then go back to that particular script right there. You need to actually go on to making or looking for a way to go on to getting another scene that you can just simply add to this. As you can see, she started freelancing right now, turning her skills into thriving business. So all you need to do is to come back right here. As you can see right now, this is a video right now of a businesswoman. All you need to do right now is just simply go on to getting another image right now that you can just simply utilizing of the businesswoman actually operating a laptop device. So you can see right now, guys, I actually did insert a new prompt right now, and you can see the image is actually being generated right now. This is how cool this particular AI actually is. You can just simply utilize the AI to go into generating images right now. So basically use that to actually generate images for various scenes of this particular video right now. As you can see right now, this is another cool video that was generated. This is one right here. Maybe I can actually do start with this. I can actually do start with this also. You can download that by clicking on the download icon. This is a very cool one right now. Download this, and once you're actually done right now, go to downloading as many scenes as you can actually do right now. As you can see, it says today she's not only enjoys financial freedom but inspires others to pursue their passion. Get cool images that you can actually then use. Now once you're actually done with this right now, all you need to do is to go on to merging the both image and voiceover together right now using a video editing tool. So guys, there are a lot of video editing tools you can actually grab hold of right there. I'm going to be utilizing the video part right now. You could also use CapCut and other cool and amazing video editing tools. Come onto the platform and actually go into adding those cool contents. So guys, once that content has actually been added, you want to just simply drag and drop the voice over, then go on to adding the images right there. As you can see, I'm just going to come right here and add such images right now. If I do add the images, all you need to do is just simply go on to dragging and dropping such kind of images to actually fit into that particular voice over right now. So if you do add that right here, as you can see, I'm actually adding those images right now. Maybe I'm also going to come right here and drag this right here, and also going to dragging this right now. Make sure that the images actually fit into the entirety of the video right now. Maybe I'm just going to stretch this right here, as you can actually do see right now. You also want to do something quite similar to this. Go on to stretching this more right here. You can actually go on to adding this also and stretch this right now. So basically, once you're actually done with all this, all you need to do is to just simply add in video transitions and video motion right now to the video, and you'll actually be able to go on to generating some cool and amazing text right now, or cool and amazing videos right now. This is actually going to be quite cool and amazing right there. So adding some cool transitions and animations to the video right now, or effects also, and this will actually be quite amazing right now. Just simply take a look at how this actually looks.
From side hustle to success, the freelancer's triumph. Once struggling to make ends meet, Jane discovered her passion for writing. She started freelancing online, turning her skills into a thriving business. Today, she not only enjoys financial freedom but also inspires others to pursue their passions online. Check the video.
So guys, once you've actually inserted something as cool as this right now and you export the video, the next thing which you want to do right now is to come right here on CPAGRIP and go on to grabbing a very cool CPA marketing offer. You can actually target some countries right here like the United States by coming onto the offer tools section, select the my offers option, be brought to a page such as this right now, and you can filter your offers to any country of your choice. Make sure you actually go to typing in something like gift to actually get kind of like giveaway offer, maybe, or gift card giveaway offer. Maybe I'm just going to remove this right now, and I can actually do filter the offer and look for kind of like a sweepstake offer. This is an example of a sweepstake offer that gives out this particular amount right now. You can also keep on scrolling through. This is also an example of a sweepstake offer that pays out about $2,500. So once you get offers like this right now, you want to just simply copy that and go on to creating a landing page, such as landing pages on breezy.io, systemy.io, Google sites, and create something quite cool. You can even go as far as using this platform called Linktree. You can actually go on to inserting multiple CPA marketing offers to different demographics. You can get offers right here from platforms like United States, get other sweepstake offers and gift card related offers from United Kingdom and other top tier countries right there. I'm going to listing that on your Linktree link right now before then going to promoting that right there, utilizing a very cool strategy right now by going on to promoting that particular video which we actually generated on platforms like TikTok right here. So you can actually go on to utilizing TikTok to promote that video. You can also go on to utilizing other amazing platforms or social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and make sure guys you are actually leaving the link to that particular CPA marketing landing page in the description of the video, as you actually did inserted right there or stated in that particular video. So as people do watch such kind of video, because those kind of video are actually quite engaging, once people do go on to watching such kind of videos, their attention guys are actually going to be focused on that particular video right there, because that's actually a short and engaging kind of video. Once you generate such kind of content, you can then go on to promoting that using your CPA marketing offer to promote, or that video to promote your CPA marketing offers, and start making money with CPA marketing. This is an amazing strategy I do hope you take advantage of right now. If you have any questions, drop that in the comment section down below and I'll be able to give you a cool reply as soon as possible. So thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video and goodbye.